Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So, I'm pretty much excited. Hey, Miss World. I'm pretty much excited that today we have agreed to take on US30 today to see how it works. If it works out, then we continue. If it doesn't work out, guys, we have to stay away from it, okay? So, I'm advising everyone, if you want to take this trade, make sure what you are risking is just 1% of your account only for today, okay? If you still want us to go back to NAS100, please drop a note on the comment in the comment section so that we know that your choice is actually your NAS100. Okay, so that is it for me now. We have 5 minutes to finish analysis, so I'm not going to talk much. I'm just going to go straight to the point so that I will have complete visibility of what price is doing before it comes. Okay, excuse me. So right now we've got a move. It's a tough one right here. It's a tough one, very tough one, I would say. And US30 is a tough one. Let me quickly analyze US30 and analyze NAS100 so that in an event whereby US30 we don't understand what it's doing, then we can actually switch to NAS immediately. So this is broken, showing us that it needs to fill up some gap here. Correct, fill the imbalance or whatever it's called. Wherever you see it as, is going to fill it for you. Okay, really, this is very okay, let's see guys. We have less than 6 minutes. Where is this going? This is coming up here, so I trust this is actually going to take care of this. And so we have, let's see how this works out. This, from this point to this, we're already at 70% Fibo, and then from this point, from low to high here, we still have this 70%. So is this going to work out for us? Is this something we want to do today? I don't think we have enough time to analyze this. We really don't have enough time to analyze this. Okay, but then let's see. There's no harm in trial. So now, guys, while we wait for we don't, it's not in our DNA to chicken out of challenges, right? It's not in our DNA at all. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking out for. Okay, looking at these very important levels. Any trade we're gonna take should be within this, either here or within here. Okay, so but then we need to establish that we have a lot of wick right here, right? So price may not go down this way, it may just reverse and go up. Okay, price may likely head for this trend line. Okay, so we don't know yet, so let's zoom in a little bit more. We don't have time, man. We don't have sufficient time. This is very believable. Let's see. Okay, so let me just use 30 minutes and demonstrate something. So I actually expect price to jump back up, and hit this level. Sorry if I'm drawing a lot of things, but then these are the things that are actually gonna help us to understand what price is doing. Okay, so in the same spirit of wanting profits, this is what we're gonna do today. Okay, so we look for reversals around here. Let me go to 1 minute. So we're going to look for reversals. Just the issue with US30 is that it's just very vast, Sorry. We look for reversals around here. In an event whereby we can't find reversals, we let at least 1 minute candle take out this level, okay? We let 1 minute candle take out this level, confirming a reverse, confirming a breakout. Then the breakout of that 1 minute candle that takes away this level is going to be our entry, okay? Do not forget, if you are joining us just now, risk only 1% of your account. Do not risk more than that. If you risk more than that, don't hold me responsible for your losses. Okay, now is the time. Let's go. Okay, it's about to happen. It's about to happen, guys. It's about to happen. Let's see. In 11 seconds, we're going to see an epic move. A move like we've never seen before. A move like we've never ever seen before. Okay, now is the time, guys. Welcome to US30 trading. Okay, what is price gonna do? We are looking for a reversal sign that is gonna push price way up to this level. Okay, but then we're not gonna target that level. Actually, we're gonna target something before that. But what we need to see now is an actual break. Okay, so if price breaks downwards, it's fine. Let's just let price take away some noise we have by the left hand side. If that noise is taken away, then we can actually take trades. Okay, otherwise nothing. NAS is basically the same thing, the same setup. Everything is just the same thing. So we gotta wait. Okay, I think it's moving down, but then I don't believe this downwards movement. We just have to wait to see what 1 minute is doing. Then we can all align. We're waiting. Nothing is happening yet. Nothing is happening yet. Okay, price is trying to move down. Let's look at 1 hour first to confirm what price is doing. I don't trust this downward movement. If he wants to move down all the way, it's a bye-bye. I'm not going to take any trade. But I think he's trying to, if he's going down, let's just make it take out all this. I know within this is a very profitable trade, right? This is 46 to 50 pips. Which is very, very profitable, right? A very important area. And it's broken already. But then we are looking for an ideal setup for our streaming, which we didn't get. So I don't think, if I don't get that ideal setup, then I'm not going to take a position. I'm looking for an ideal setup. An ideal setup. Okay, very nice move. Even if we're trading NAS, the same thing, there's nothing. Technically nothing is happening for me, I would say. So if had it been I was trading NAS, what I would expect is a move. If I'm going to sell, I'm going to expect a move up to this level. Then we look for a reversal here, right? We look for a reversal here for price to continue going down. We'll get in somewhere here. It's been our caution, right? So it's better we wait for that stuff we have discussed to happen here. Now the bad news about this is that this level is broken already. This FIBO level was not respected, so we have to take it out. What we need to do now is, if we are ever gonna sell, I think we need to wait for this to happen. Okay, let price jam, kiss and tell around here, then we can actually expose the price. If you follow me every day, you know what I mean by kiss and tell and the exposure. Okay, kiss and tell is price doing what we want it to do, and then tell is confirming, confirming to us, giving us some sort of confirmation pattern or confirmation whatever to show, to tell us, okay, I'm done with whatever shit you want me to do, stuff like that. So I have a question, guys. What do you think is going to happen here, considering the fact that this is a very important level? Let's assume we are looking at NAS, right? So what do you think is going to happen here, considering the fact that this is a very important level? What do you think is going to happen here on NAS? Someone please comment. Let's proceed. Someone please comment. Comment what you think is going to happen. Okay. Price is heading for a very nice area. Whoa, NAS is very beautiful. So beautiful, guys. The fact that we are live streaming does not mean we must take a trade. Okay, so everyone please relax. I know everyone is looking at money. Please chill out, everyone. Chill out, please. Okay, let's see how many pips this has moved already. This is just 20 pips with a lot of possibility of moving back. So let's assume we are gonna, even if we're gonna take buy, our buys will be this move here, corrected, and then pushing up. Okay, that's gonna be our buy. So technically nothing is happening for us. If price keeps going up without giving us any opportunity to get in, then I don't think we're going to take any position. Okay, so this area is proving to be very strong area, so otherwise price would have actually broken through. 11820. Let me look at this number. 11820. Okay, 20. Well, guys, I think NAS is doing something I like, so I'm gonna abandon US30. Go to hell, US30. NAS is doing something I like. Let this 1 minute close. If it closes, the break of this 1 minute is gonna be our entry. Oh my god, it's moving so fast. Can someone stop it, please? Someone stop 1 minute from moving so fast, please. Someone stop 1 minute from moving so fast. I don't like that week. That week is too much. That week is some sort of exhaustion week, and it's not healthy. Nice, I like this. So do you want to attempt something, guys? This is a very dangerous zone, guys. Really, should we take a position sell here when this low is broken? I think we should give a shot. Let's look at 1 hour again. 1 hour looks like 1 hour. 1 hour looks like it's gonna reverse. Looks like it's gonna reverse. I think 1 hour may be reversing, so we better be very, very careful. And this formation here as well is very dangerous, so you better be very careful, guys. You better be very careful. Don't rush anything. Even US30 is doing technically nothing. So nothing is happening now, guys. There's something we could do on US30. There's something we could do. Beautiful. I like what I see here. So what if we, conservatively take a trade at the break of this, to somewhere here? I think that that would be very wonderful. That will actually work out. It could actually work out. Let's see. Just ready your lot sizes. Risk only 1%. Okay, the moment we get a position, I'm gonna alert everyone to jump in. Okay, at this time, no, the price is consolidating. Even at NYSE open, price is just consolidating. You see this? It happens every time. Okay, low volume. Are traders waiting for tomorrow's interest rate announcement? I don't really know. I don't give a damn about the announcement. I don't care about the announcement. So that tells you a lot of traders don't care about the announcement. But then, of course, that is us. So money makers, market movers, perhaps they may be waiting for that announcement. So, okay, guys, I think this is it. Let's just sell. Okay, sell NAS. Sell NAS and and pray very well that it works. Okay, sell NAS, everyone. Sell NAS. And keep praying to God that it works out, otherwise we are gone. Let's mark out our come on, there's a lot of noise here, really. There's a lot of noise. Damn. This is not making any sense, guys. 44 pips only? What the hell, man? This is not fair. Come on, okay? Oh, let's do something, guys. Let me use FIBO to get out our profit level today. So using FIBO, I would say our profit level is gonna be this. So guys, we have nothing, technically nothing, no profit in this trade. We just have to make it in and out like ZAP, ZAP methodology. We have to use ZAP methodology, and don't ask me what ZAP methodology is, please. Because I don't know myself. all right. Wow, US30 is really pushing low. So I don't like US30. It's just confusing us, really. It's confusing us. Nothing is happening there. Double bottom. I don't get. Mitchell Kowabo, can you please be specific a little bit? Guys, please do not forget your stop loss is I didn't give us any points. It's okay. Let me give out 26 pips. and the points are right there on the screen. Okay, do not worry about nothing. All you need to do is to hope on Allah, hope on Almighty, okay, to to push to push price. Come on, don't do that. You need to hope on God, but then you have to use your sixth, IQ as well, right? God works wonders, but then we don't have to take God for granted, right? So the question I've got for you guys is price gonna actually push down, or do we exit this position with minimum profits? Do you think we should exit with minimum profits, or should we keep pushing? Can I get some comments, please? It seems we are right. It looks like we are correct, like absolutely. Looks like we are correct. That's beautiful. I like what I see. Let me copy my stop loss. Let me populate my stop loss. Group stop loss. Paste. Beautiful. So beautiful. And take profit. Copy. Oh, come on. Take profit. Oh, it's gonna be tough. Oh, I'm gonna close manually then. Okay, guys, at this point, I'm going to recommend you to please, let's see how many pips we got here. If we've got up to 30 pips, I'm going to recommend everyone to please move stop loss to break even. Beautiful. This is already, oh, sorry. I think I did Ojolo. Beautiful. So this is already 30 pips. So guys, I'm going to advise you with my experience, if this fails, then we get another entry, okay? But please, first things first, move your stop loss to break even. First things first, move your stop loss to break even. If you are not comfortable with this trade, now is the time to exit, because from here on is meant for only the big boys, okay? The guys that have the mind, okay? So by the way, go ahead and follow me on Telegram. This is my Telegram channel right here. Go ahead and follow me. If you're not following me, join us. We'd have a lot of discussions, arguments, and a lot of lessons there and stuff like that, right? So if you want to be part of what we're doing, we are changing lives, and we are taking this change of lives to another level, whereby everyone is going to be part of it. Even if I take a single trade while sleeping, everyone is going to be part of it. So if this is something, if I speak your language right now, go ahead and join this Telegram group, okay? That is the idea. We don't believe in talking a lot. We believe in actions. If you join us in that group, you're going to see a lot of actions. For those of us who are doubting, maybe you are asking questions, he's just calling short, he's not taking it. This is it, okay? My positions are there, very, very intact. Very, very intact. I got in a little bit late. That is why I've not moved my stop loss to break even. But then if I see price moving above current candle, I'm going to close 50%. Then wait to see what is going to happen, okay? So I'm not deceiving anyone, but generally everyone, your stop loss should be at break even now, okay? Make sure it is, so that you don't lose. Because the reason why I'm insisting on moving stop loss to break even right now is because of this is a difficult area. You don't want to be a victim of any pushbacks from as a result of this noise. I would say this support here, right? This is a very strong support, so you need to respect this. Close 50% and move stop loss to break even, and let the rest run. This time around, don't close nothing yet. Just move your stop loss and let everything keep running. US30 is making history. Let's visit that guy again and see. Okay, I was not able to perform in US30 before today, so that is why I just kept myself away from taking any position there. Because most likely nothing. I mean, I don't see any light there. Okay, now check it out. What could we have done here? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. This is 1730, right? So what are we doing here? No signal, nothing. Nothing is happening. So I can't just jump into a position because I see red candles and then I jump into red candles and join them. No, I need confirmation. I need good, fantastic confirmations. If it's not coming, I'm out. That's it. That is who I am. And considering the fact that I like a quick performing trade, Oh, I missed this opportunity. I should have gotten in here. Let me see, 1 minute. This could have been our entry if, oh my god, Euro USD, come on. The only day you are performing at the speed of light, we didn't get to you. Guys, did you see what happened here? Sorry, I'm not starting all over to analyze this pair, but then all this noise happened, everything moved down. Then this guy broke above here, right? He broke above this zone, right? So the moment it broke above this zone, I gave it some level to go and touch, and then it actually touched that level, gave it a first touch. If I were to be online, this would have been our entry. This would have been our entry here. Why? The first touch, then it came back to revisit that area again, gave it a second touch, then broke above the candle that gave it a second touch. Then the break of this candle would have been our entry, which is somewhere here. Okay, then we ride it until this area, but then closing stop loss, closing out along the way, of course. I'm going to announce again, if you are not comfortable with this position, please exit now, because price may do something you are not expecting, and I'm not responsible. Okay, if you're not comfortable, as I can see now, price is doing something that I don't like, so you don't expect me to come and close the positions for you, right? At least if you are in this position, make sure your stop loss is at break even. If this price hits the break even, fine, then we look for another position somewhere here. Okay, we are still looking for sales. The only reason why we can buy here is this, unless price, come on man, everywhere is just Fred, man. There is no opportunities for buys here. No, I can't see opportunities for buys. Everywhere is just Fred. The only obstacle we're facing now is this level. Maybe price is retesting this, maybe touching this level, and this level might actually push it back, because these are actually SMC level, right? So I think our price just hit break even. Beautiful. So having hit break even, of course, I said something about my own positions. I got to close 50% and let 50% hit stop loss, because I didn't get in early. This is the price we have to pay for streaming live, right? These are the prices we pay for streaming live, because we don't get into positions on time. We place the population, the masses first, then we come second. Oh my god, we are too good. We are too good. This morning we waited for position, we couldn't get any good position on German index and Euro USD, and I'm not happy, because a lot of people, they wait for these positions for them to profit for the day, right? I know some people that, at least with this, with my positions, they actually get in, they make their money for the day, and they are done. They just follow my signals and that's it. So for people like this, really sorry for that break even. So break even points hit, so we got to close this, close. Now we are in for a buy the moment we see a closure. Okay, closure above this zone. This is how it works, guys. There is no other magic. The good thing is that nobody here recorded a loss, right? So congrats to everyone for that, unless you are a stubborn fly that wants to make all the profit in the market. If you are that person, apologies. No, I don't apologize to you, because I gave you early warning. Gave you early warning signals, right? So let's hang on in there. No volume today, guys. No volume. I'm very happy that nobody lost. Really, I'm so happy, because we moved our stop loss to break even, saving ourselves 27 or 26 pips, which is a lot of money. It's a lot of money. Okay. Let me find out, why is this here? Let me find out, guys. Apologies, I just want to see something, guys. We learn every day. Why is this line here? This line is here because of the stubborn level, right? Yes, and price kissed this stubborn level and turned back, right? So at this point in time, we expect price to revisit this area. Even if it wants to go up, we expect it to revisit this area. Is at least 70 to 88.6% of the Fibo. If that happens, then we are good to go. Okay, so let's go back to 1 minute. Sorry if I'm switching the screen too much or something. Oh guys, do you think this is actually still a buy? Sorry, oh god, what am I saying? Do you guys think this is actually a sell? This, we're going to only take a sell position if and only if something happens here. I'm looking out for information here, and I really pray that it happens. Oh, it's not happening. God damn it. Why is this forming, man? Go back and close bullish. Go back and close bullish, please, my friend. Okay, so for this move down here, already met the criteria. See, it has already formed something here for sales to continue. But then the question is sales really going to continue? I feel market has dropped a lot, right? It has dropped a lot since morning. Oh, did NAS not drop? Yeah, it has dropped a lot since morning. So I feel this is time for buy. But I'm going to call a short for sell, but I'm not going to take it, just to let you guys know. So you can sell now, but I'm not taking it. Just be aware. I'm not taking the sales. So any trade I'm not taking, I think it makes sense if you stay away from that trade. I'm calling sales for anyone that is desperate for a trade. Okay, sell one more time, and these are your points. If this one hits stop loss, I'm done. I'm gonna end the stream. Call it a day. I don't want anybody to lose his or her money. Okay. The aim is not to lose, but to gain and profit abundantly. Or if NAS did not work out, oh, I don't like this, guys. I don't like this. I think you should quit. Quit this sales. I don't like this, okay? Quit this sales. If you are in, you can quit it or you can choose to stay. It's all up to you. You control your accounts, okay? Not me. All right. So for Euro USD, I have Euro USD has a very nice potential. I see this low joining with these lows, right? So showing us that price may likely come down to this trend line to find support. Okay, so now where is this? This is actually above here, and the low, no. So the low I'm looking for now is for this wave. I'm looking for the Fibo level. I need a retracement for this particular wave. If I can get it, then we jump in somewhere here. Okay, the sales is working out partially, but then I switched in again and it started working working so partially. Okay, let's see. The sales really are insane. If this trade is stop loss, I'm going to end the live stream and go home. I don't want to lose my money or let anybody lose their monies, right? So I think this our sales is not working out, right? Two positions, one break even, 126 pips potential loss because it has not hit yet. So what's it gonna be, guys? Do you want to remain in this position or do you want to leave? What is it gonna be? What is it gonna be? Someone said double top, double bottom. Please, Miss Kwabo, if you, I don't know how to pronounce that name, please, pardon me if I'm killing the name. But what double top are we talking about here? Is it in 4 hours? I don't see any first stop in the first place. If you're talking about this, man, this has already played out, and the retracement is here already, right? So it will just finish and keep pushing up. Trend is already changed. So 1 hour, I don't see any first stop in the first place. 15 minutes, I don't see any first stop, bottom or wherever. 10 minutes, I don't see nothing unless you are seeing this. Perhaps this is what you are making reference to. If that is it, fine. I think you may be right. If this is what you're making a reference to, okay. I pay attention to these setups now because that is technically who I am now. I look out for these things now. Before, normally I don't pay attention to them. I call them rubbish. But now I have to pay attention to them because I'm trading 1 minute. 1 minute respects all these things very well. Like very, very well. Okay, guys. If you are here, just know that you are out already. You're out already. I'm not taking another position today on NAS. Okay, I'm done with NAS today. And Euro USD broke out already. It didn't get to our level before breaking out. So unfortunately, guys, it is what it is. It is what it is for today. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining me. I expect to see you tomorrow morning at 10:55 a.m. GST. And tomorrow seems like a big day because of FOMC. So guess what? I'm going to be live. I'm going to be live for this news. I'm going to be live. But don't expect magic, please. Okay? Do not expect magic. But either ways, I'm going to be live here to, see if I can take $2 from here. Okay, guys? Thank you everyone for joining. Today is not the day we hoped that it was going to be. Not the day that we hoped for. So we better stay away. Nothing is happening. Technically, it's just price is just, wandering, and this is not what we want. I'm not patient enough for this. If I keep looking at this, I'm going to make a mistake. So that is why I want us to save our money. So guys, for those of us joining now, apologies. We are leaving already. We are done. We didn't take any position. But guys, do not forget, if you have a working strategy and you see any position, please do not hesitate to take your position. That is why you are a trader. You are not relying on me, right? So if you see any position that you feel, oh, this is going to work out for me, go ahead and take it. Okay? Thank you very much, everyone. And I appreciate the numbers, the turn up and everything. To have a very lovely day.